Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Dear viewers, I am Mustafa Mamun, lecturer of English, welcoming you all to watch my today's video. Our today's content is English conversation, where we are going to learn how to rent and how to let a house in English language. In this content, you can also watch a short film made for you on this purpose. So let's not waste time and watch it.
Please come.
Excuse me, did you phone me?
Yes, I am looking for a flat. Are you the owner of the house?
Yes, the house belongs to my father. What type of flat do you want to rent?
I want a one-bedroom flat.
You are lucky. We have a one-bedroom flat.
Could you show me the flat, please?
Please follow me. Mahi, Richi, where are you going? Come to me. They are my cousin. This is the washroom. This is the kitchen. This is the dining room. And this is the bedroom.
Good. I can also see a balcony.
Yes, we have a little balcony.
That's fine, but the dining room is very small.
Yes, but it is suitable for a small family.
Yes, you are right.
By the way, what do you do?
I am a student of RED.
That's good. By the way, will you live here alone or with your family?
Yes, I will live here alone. But sometimes my mother will also live with me.
That's not a problem.
How much is the rent?
The house rent is 4,000 taka. If you want to rent it, you have to pay the rent in advance.
Well, I want to rent it.
Okay, one more thing. You have to pay 4,000 taka as security. You will also have to sign in an agreement.
Yes, I agree.
So when would you like to get in the flat?
I would like to get in the flat on the first day of the next month. I will also pay you the advance on the day.
Okay, no problem.
I have to go now.
It's okay.
Bye.
Now let's recap the conversation.